Learn how to ask for referrals. And they need to be part of your client engagement process. And the client engagement process is naturally you're going to ask rapport building questions. How's your summer? How's your family? Where are you traveling next? Get reacquainted with your clients. Check in with them. What's most important to them about the conversation? What are the 3 things that they want to improve upon? What are the 3 challenges that they have on their mind? Ask them how much time they've got for the appointment. Next, explain the conversation, the things that you would like to talk about, and provide an outline. So I understand that you want to talk about this, this, and this. You want to improve this, this, and this, and you want to eliminate this and this. And at the same time, I'd like to talk with you about this, this, and this, A, B, and C, and X, Y, and Z. But before we begin, I'd like you to think back. How long have we been working together? How long have we been working together? Sidebar, you know the answer because you've done a file review before you have met with the client. How long have we been working together? You want to get your client associated to the length of time you've been working together. Next, ask them, what do you like best about working with me? What do you like best about working with me? And ask, what have you received you didn't expect? And write it down. Write it down. Document it. For future meetings going forward, you can always refer to the document and say, last time we met, 6 months ago, I asked you, what'd you like best about working with me? What'd you receive you didn't expect? And this is what you said. You said, you have no idea about the value that you are providing. You're taking a complex world and you're simplifying it so that we can make the right decisions, so that we can live our lives, we can conduct our businesses, we can look after our careers and our families without having to worry about a very, very complicated world. You're providing us with a tremendous amount of value. And for every advisor that is watching this, I would want for you, I wish for you to make a list of your top 10, 20 clients and take 3 days and go out and ask nothing but these 2 questions. What do you like best about working with me, and what have you received the ad that you didn't expect, and document it. This will help you to get associated the value that you are providing to your clients. And when you're associated the value that you're providing your clients, you're going to be able to go out there and deliver more value to the clients and prospects that you are looking to be able to be of service to. Now, getting back to how long have we been working together? What do you like best about working with me? What have you received you didn't expect? You know, I've not talked with you about like-minded individuals that you're connected with in your family, in your church, in your associations. Folks that would appreciate working with an advisor, that would like to be able to have a plan to grow assets, protect assets, to save tax and leave a lifelong legacy. What might be the best way of introducing me to them? And wait, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. 5% of the time, 10% of the time, your client may have somebody on the tip of their tongue. But 90% of the time, they may not. So as I said, wait 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and then say, you know what? Most of the time, folks don't have anybody on the tip of their tongue. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to send you this email that you could forward. And it goes like this. Dear Mary and John, I don't know where you are in respect in working with an advisor to be able to help you to create a plan, to be able to grow assets, protect assets, to be able to save tax and leave a lifelong legacy. But I've been working with James, and he's an extraordinary advisor. And I'd like to be able to introduce you. And so you say to your client, I'd like you to send you that email that you could pass on and then follow through. There's a law of the universe. A question must be answered. And eventually, you will receive a referral. Puts you in a position where you start to practice asking, and it comes from a values place. It's values-based. How long have we been working together? What do you like best about working with me? What have you received you didn't expect? So that's how to ask for referral.